Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here. Today I have an awesome unboxing for you guys. Unboxing, it's been a while here, but finally we're doing this 1 to 200 unboxing of United Airlines Boeing 787-9s. Also like to wish United Airlines a happy 100 years. Happy birthday, United. We have the flaps down and flaps up version here, of course. I think we'll start with the flaps up version here. Got some information here. Shout out to Gemini Jets and JH Wings. I think I've started collecting 1 to 200 scale now, guys. It's begun. All right, let's go ahead and get this unboxed, guys. So you have the stand, of course, as well as the landing gear that just magnetizes in. Covers. And of course the aircraft here. I might just get both of these out, guys, just so you guys can see them. Wow, look at that. Kind of how I feel when I'm holding one of the smaller ones, but these things are a lot more detailed here. Look at that, guys. Just so much more detail in these planes. Definitely gonna get on the standing and get the wheels on for you guys, so stay tuned. All right, guys, we've attached the landing gear here. We'll come back for a nice view, detailed view of this in one moment. Here is the flaps down version here. Wow, guys, look at that. Super cool. Look at that, guys. Get a more detailed view in a moment. Are on the stands. Check out that view right here. That is iconic, guys. Yep, I think I'm addicted to 1 to 200, guys. Look at this. Don't be surprised if you start seeing more 1 to 200 unboxing videos here on the channel. Get the flaps up too, guys. Look at this. Yep, I'm hooked. Here they are together. Starting off on the right side here, we have the flaps up edition here. Obviously the same mold, but the wings are different. And coming over here, of course, you can see amazing detail on the engines, guys. I could zoom in here. Look at that spiral. Now, many of you have probably collected 1 to 200, but this is my first, like, real unboxing, I guess to say, because I have some Northwest ones and Hawaiian as well. I have one Delta 767-300, but these are amazing. I need some 777s and some 757s too, United, guys. Lots of details on the roof of the plane, the top of the plane fuselage. The detail here, guys. Gemini Jets on the bottom, of course. You got 100 years here. I'll tell you guys, this thing is heavy, so be very careful with it. Landing gear, amazing. I'll just say this, guys, pick one of these up if you get the chance. I kind of shot for the moon and was like, hey, I need to get both of these. So JH Wings went ahead and ordered them for me. So thank you very much. You guys can always check out JH Wings, link in bio here. Also help support me, guys, and JH Wings by purchasing from the link below. Discount with code Model Airport Nation as well, guys. Flaps down. I do like the 787-9 Dreamliners. They are definitely starting to grow on me. But I will say though, I know like with like the 777, the 777-200s and the 300s, I feel like the flaps are more prominent and significant on those airplanes because you can really see them. The slats are more like angled down, they're wider. I'll put it that way, more details for you guys. The flaps are more longer too. So I will say that I do like the 777s better. I don't have any 1 to 200 right now with flaps down, but I will be getting some of those soon. So stay tuned for that, guys. Let's get another good look here. United 100, guys. 100 years. Absolutely. I think next I'm going to get some Delta, because I'm going to be creating a MSP 1 to 200 scale as well, guys. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, obviously we know a lot of Delta there with that airport. You know, could definitely do like an LAX 1 to 200 as well. I don't know, guys. You got to pick and choose. I know I have United in my hands here, so that's why, you know, maybe we'll do like a more versatile airport that can fit more wide bodies, but maybe we could do like a San Francisco 1 to 200 or like part of an LAX 1 to 200. Yeah, guys, so we'll see. We'll see what we end up doing here. But nice, good look here. I have these amazing aircraft here. I am so happy to have these in 1 to 200, guys. You guys have no idea. And I'll definitely be showing these guys on more of my airports here in the near future. I think for now, with the 1 to 200s, we'll probably just display them until we get, you know, until we find like a layout for them. Because I know they're pretty big here too. So, well, thank you guys for coming to my video here, showcasing you guys these amazing 1 to 200, 100 years United Airlines airplanes here. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Shout out JH Wings, guys, Gemini Jets. Amazing work. Shout out to United. Happy birthday, United. And I think if they do an A321 in the delivery too, I'll definitely grab one of those too. So stay tuned for more, guys. Until next time, guys, we'll see you in the next video. And wish you guys happy collecting as well. Until next time.